Today, you will learn how to convert a list into a table in Word. First, select the entire list that you want to convert. After selecting the text, go to the Insert tab at the top of Microsoft Word. In the Tables group, click the Table button. From the drop-down menu, choose Convert Text to Table. A new dialog box will appear showing the number of columns and rows Word has detected automatically. You can increase or decrease the number of columns. As you can see, number of rows will adjust automatically. Keep the auto-fit behavior as it is. It will automatically adjust the column width. You will also see options for how your text is separated, such as tabs, commas, paragraphs, or other characters. Choose the correct separator based on your list. For this type of list, choose paragraphs. Once everything looks correct, click OK. Instantly, Microsoft Word will convert your list into a neatly organized table. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.